Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back, Tech Help Guys. So today I'm going to show you how to connect GoDaddy with WordPress, or how to install WordPress to GoDaddy in GoDaddy. So very quickly, go to your product right here, or go to the domain you want to connect to GoDaddy. And then here on the dashboard, scroll down until you see more ways to grow, and then click on Connect Your Domain. Once that's done, go and click on WordPress right here, and then enter in your WordPress blog URL. So this one, we'll enter that, and then simply connect domain. So you see, when user goes to techhelpguys.com, they'll be redirected, and that's it. So just connect your domain with WordPress, and then automatically that will be that's it. It's done. Your domain forwarding is done, and now your domain is connected now to WordPress. Now, domains typically update within an hour, so you'll have to wait an hour before uh, the connection between the two is complete. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button so you can follow us for more videos just like this, only here on Tech Help Guy.